Subscribe GSM Guruji and press the bell icon to watch video first of all.
Hello friend, today I want to show you how to remove it FRP Samsung A04 and A04e. Both of them is same method. See nicely complete videos. Also please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. Don't forget subscribe my channel. I want to show you first you have FRP note and see. You see now is open. After then see nicely. Then I want to show you first. You see you have FRP. See nicely. There you have FRP. After then you are go to Samsung. Select Samsung. After then go writing the A04 A04. You see A04 number 2, select it. Sorry, this one number 2. Then phone make it off. Then select download mode. Then press volume up, volume down button. Volume down, volume up button. Then press and connect cable. Then leave all button. Then press volume up button. You see download mode now. Then go to delete FRP 2023. You see now FRP now is done. This phone. You see this phone is 100% is done. I want to show you. You see now is 100% this phone is done. See there. See there is done 100% now. Please like and share videos. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. Now is making next. Only just 2 minutes. You see now is done. Then making next. Again making next. Then again next. This side is taking time. You see. Then again making next. Now skip option is on, making skip. And again. After then skip again. Then OK. Making skip again. Then finish again and finish. Now his phone is done. Where just is showing something. Next skip. Then again skip, again finish. You see now is 100% is done. Please like and share videos. Also subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. Now this phone is 100% is done.